Imagine you stumble onto a great health tracker, the Hume Band, only to find out that the new updated version, the Hume Band 2.0, was released. Now, the question is whether it's one of those Apple-type updates or if the changes actually made the product better. In this detailed Hume Band 2.0 review, you'll find out if the upgrades are meaningful enough to justify buying the new Hume Health Band. And by the way, I secured an exclusive discount for the Hume Band 2.0. The link is in the description, or simply scan this QR code on the screen. Good news, the Hume Band setup for the 2.0 is as easy as it was before. So we'll skip that part and just jump straight into the good stuff, which is exactly what has changed in this Hume wearable tech. In my opinion, the upgrade lies in the extended battery life. The original Hume Band lasted up to 5 to 7 days, while the 2.0 can now last up to 14 days. That's double the time. Regardless of the obvious benefit of not having to think about charging the band for a longer period, another great thing that comes with it is a more complete picture of your health. I'll give you an example. Sleep-related metrics are the ones I personally track the most. And here's the thing, Hume's health score, recovery insights, stress trends, and several longevity-focused metrics all lean heavily on sleep data. So if the band is sitting on a charger for multiple nights, you're missing chunks of the picture. Another positive change is the new Ultralux Soft Touch strap. It might seem like a small change, but then again, a wearable strap that's slightly uncomfortable is far more likely to end up on a nightstand than a wrist. And it's a good thing that this band is more comfortable and softer to the touch. Although, I have to say, I like the previous one style-wise. To me, this one looks a little less chic. Moving on, the Hume 2.0 now actively tracks one more thing, your blood pressure. Since many people only start thinking about it when it gets bad, it's useful to track it passively as one more layer of the overall health picture. Just to be clear though, it's not a medical device like a blood pressure cuff that's intended for diagnosis. Hume Band 2.0 only tracks the patterns. Also, the Hume Health Tracker 2.0 has improvements that enables it to process signals even more accurately than the OG band. The metrics potentially affected are heart rate, HRV, sleep, recovery, and stress. Honestly, this one's hard to evaluate. It's one of those upgrades that addresses the things that won't matter until they do. But if Hume's claims hold up, it should improve the quality of pretty much every health insight the app gives you. And there's one more feature that I'm very curious about, nutrition tracking. Now, it's currently available in beta version. The official description on the web says, soon you'll be able to connect food intake with your body's response for deeper health insights. I am already tracking my sleep, recovery, and overall health trends. And I think this particular piece was missing for the full health puzzle. So I'll definitely check back in a month when this is out. And now it's the time for the Hume Band 2.0 review part, where you'll see how each feature works. Once you open the Hume Health app, the first thing that catches your attention is the health score. It's one of those central metrics of the Hume ecosystem that is primarily influenced by sleep, recovery, and stress. Basically, Hume Health, instead of asking users to interpret dozens of separate measurements, combines every single key health indicator into a single score meant to give you a quick snapshot of overall well-being. The health score is Hume's attempt to simplify the process of understanding if you are making any positive progress on your health. And I think it's a valid approach. It would really be a pain to make sense of all these metrics all on your own. So that's the wider view. Let's zoom in on the specific measurements. Starting with metabolic capacity. It measures how efficiently your body produces energy and recovers. What's interesting is that instead of focusing on athletic performance like most wearables do, metabolic capacity looks at your broader picture, how your body's functioning overall, day to day. So it's not so much about pushing harder in workouts, but understanding whether you are in good shape to handle what you throw at yourself. What makes Hume Health stand out from many other health apps or fitness trackers is how it connects your data into one overall view. Now, a typical fitness tracker may show separate daily metrics like steps, calories, weight, or activity. Hume's metabolic momentum is designed to go further by helping you understand what those changes may say about your longer-term health trends. It shows whether your current routine is helping you stay on track, keeping you stable, or starting to work against your goals. So you're not left trying to make sense of standalone metrics on your own. Moving on with this Hume Band review, there's also the blood pressure trends metric. As I mentioned before, this new feature is designed to help you understand how your daily habits may be connected to changes in your blood pressure over time. So if your sleep, stress, activity, or routine changes, Hume Health will notify you whether your blood pressure trends also seem to change. Now, taking a look at the app myself, seeing the trends is incredibly simple. For somebody that may not understand what a lot of these mean, the graphs and the different categories makes it easy to understand what's going on during that day or what has happened previously in the last week. I would return to this all the time to see maybe what days of the week are causing more issues in my health. Now, next is one of Hume Health's most ambitious features, the chronic illness risk indicators. According to Hume, it looks at long-term patterns in things like HRV, sleep, and skin temperature to help identify the changes that warrant closer attention. I have to stop here. Mind that this feature is designed to support awareness. You still have to consult medical professionals for diagnosis. But then again, the point is that you visit them not only when something feels really wrong, but when the first minor signals appear, so that you can pay attention earlier instead of ignoring changes in your health trends. And I'll tell you a hack that can elevate the whole health tracking experience even further. You can also connect the Hume Body Pod to the same app as the Hume Health Band. That way, you'll have band tracking data directly from your body, while the Body Pod adds more detailed insights into your body composition. Lucky for you, I have links with special discounts for both products. You can find them in the description or easily access them through the QR codes on the screen. To top it off, the brand also offers free global shipping and a 45-day return window, so it's a pretty low risk way to try it. Final verdict: are the Hume Band 2.0 upgrades really worth it? At first, they don't sound that exciting on paper. Better battery, improved comfort, more insights. Okay, but not exactly mind-blowing. But then when you take a look at the full package, see that the Hume Band 2.0 has a much clearer direction. It's leaning into health tracking, long-term trends rather than scattered standalone metrics that all these other products offer. Now, for existing Hume users, I'd say the upgrade makes sense if you use the band daily. The changes may not look dramatic at first, but the already mentioned better battery life, improved comfort, and expanded health insights are exactly the upgrades you appreciate over time. For new users, I honestly don't see much point in choosing the older version. So once again, if you are interested in trying it, I have the best discount code linked in the description, or you can scan this QR code. Don't forget to leave your thoughts on whether you found my review useful, and if you want more Hume Band reviews or other health tech breakdowns, be sure to check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.